Okay, I'm gonna try and start it. It's in the garage right now, so it's quiet, but one guy asked the turn signal, it's down here. You just flip it either way. It's like a motorcycle, you know, you turn, when you get out of the turn, you turn it like that, and then it's off again, but that's where the switch is. It might be an aftermarket thing, I'm not sure, but that's where this turn signal is. To start it, I do it all one-handed here. Just put the key in, and then pull the choke out all the way. Make sure it's in neutral, and then the start pedal is just down there, right there. Crank it. Might pump it. Okay. And it's running. You probably hear it. You can see the oil pressure gauge is up, the battery gauge is up. It actually has a full tank of gas, and the temperature will go up here. I'm gonna back it out here real quick. It just sits in the garage, so it's nice in the garage. Oh, I gotta get a rock brick here, shoot.